In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a song from Suno AI Music. By the end, you'll have your track saved as an MP3 on your device, ready to share, edit, or play offline. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Suno AI. From the search results, click the official Suno AI music generator site. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your creations. Being signed in ensures you see your personal library with all the songs you've generated. Once you're on the site, look for the library option in the navigation. Click Library to view your songs. This page lists your tracks with their titles, artwork, and quick controls. Give it a second to load if you have a lot of songs. That's normal. Find the song you want to download. When you hover over or tap the track, you'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu, on the songs card or next to the title. Click those three dots to open the options for that specific track. This is where Suno groups useful actions so you don't clutter the main view. From the menu that appears, choose Download. Suno will then show you format choices. Select MP3 audio. MP3 is the most widely compatible audio format, great for phones, tablets, laptops, and most editing apps. It keeps file sizes small while preserving solid sound quality, which makes it easy to share or store. You may see a confirmation prompt next, especially if your browser checks downloads by default. If that prompt appears, click Download. Anyway, this simply tells your browser you trust the file and want to proceed. It's a standard safeguard and doesn't change the file itself. Your browser will begin downloading the MP3 and place it in your default downloads folder unless you've set a different location. You can watch the progress in your browser's download tray, and once it's finished, you can click to open it directly. If you plan to organize your music library, consider renaming the file with a clear title and date so you can find it quickly later. That's all there is to it. Open Suno, head to your library, use the three-dot menu on your chosen song, select Download, pick MP3 audio, and confirm with Download anyway. Remember to follow Suno's usage terms and any licensing guidance associated with your track, especially if you intend to share or publish it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly downloaded song.